guys, this is Mr. Gary. Today I'm gonna show you some Minecraft in Minecraft. Market edition. I'm gonna make some automatical power display. And all you need is some dispenser, redstone desk, redstone comparator, and daylight sensor. Okay. When this automatically fireworks display is when it's nighttime, it come to the sky and do some fireworks display. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, guys, we're back again, and we're gonna do some daylight sensor and press this, and it comes blue. Put some redstone there. Put some redstone converter, press this to the light on and put the redstone there, like that. Look at that. And do this one. Hey. Hey. If you're watching Guava Juice, you're done. And just type down and just say it down comment section below, and I will shout out your channel. If you're watching Guava Juice, if you don't watching Guava Juice, okay, you don't have a shout out from me. And do this one like that. Okay, after you do this one, go and play some. You know that. What is that? Fireworks! I like it, move it. I like it, cheesy. Move it. I like it. Where's the red one? Dear, I like red. My favorite color is red. And why the red why the banner is red? If you have a banner in Minecraft, if you have this version, do this. Okay, you download this into app. Apple. If you want to buy this one, Play Store. Okay, guys. Back to the video. Guys, and we're gonna play some fireworks. I like so many fireworks. Oh yeah, fireworks. And it's not nighttime. Okay, let's just time set. Just and day. What do you want? Night or midnight? Do you like night? Okay, let's take some midnight. Look at that! It's automatically go. Oh, it's raining. Okay. Yeah, fireworks display. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. Fireworks display. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, guys, before I stop recording this video, I'm gonna shout out some people like Happy Games Tifagul and Scotley TM and and Chase now. Okay, let's do a video on YouTube and subscribe there to get some shout outs. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching all my videos. Subscribe for more videos. Visit my Facebook chat and Musically. Okay. Bye. And stay by the mystery.